Fedora Outlier LLC logo animation. Logo is burnt orange, reddish brown. The shape is a square with a white outer glow creating dimension. The letters FO are in the center of the square. The letters have a hand-drawn artistic appearance. Backdrop is black with light flares that appear then disappear. There is a transparent mirror image of the logo underneath.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's Vashaun Jones, visionary of Fedora Outlier LLC, and I got my new rifle. I'm here at my favorite gun range, and in my next section of the video, I'm going to talk to you all about my experience with my rifle, as well as how it compares to handguns, when you can use it, when it's best for home defense, and all that blah, blah, blah. And we're going to do it right after this. Actually, right after I get home.
A Shot in the Dark by Fedora Outlier LLC, displayed in orange lettering. Company logo in bottom right corner. Several images of Vashaun Jones wearing a gray sweater, ear and eye protection, pointing a firearm at a target. The back of his head faces the camera.
What's up everybody? Alright, so I am back home. It's actually days later that I'm recording this video, but in the intro of the video I showed you my rifle. I told you I would tell you all about it, why I got it, the use cases that I don't plan on using it for, but I did want to get one. Actually, I want to get two. And so I'm going to switch camera angles here, and I'm going to grab my bag. Alright, so here's the bag that it comes in, a nice cushiony bag that's actually overkill for the rifle because it's like way too big. So I'm gonna unzip it, and so yeah, it is safe. This is it here, and so yeah, you can extend it a couple of inches if you're kind of a taller guy. I'm kind of short, so this is like the butt of the rifle. The magazine goes here, right? And of course there's nothing in it. And so you hold it like this, and then your trigger is here. And so your cocking lever is up here to the front. And there you have it. And your safety is here. So down means you can shoot it. And so there's nothing in the magazine. So that's pretty much it. Now this is a Springfield Armory Hellion, and it's in the bullpup state. And so what I mean by that is all of the rifles, everything, all the ejection port, everything is towards the back, so you get the same length barrel, a 16-inch barrel, but kind of in a more compact form. And so if I were to have a 16-inch rifle, I would have all of this back here plus 16 inches of barrel just hanging out. Everything is kind of connected to the barrel and still a 16-inch barrel. And so that's what a bullpup configuration is. You get the same length barrel, 16 inches, but you got a shorter rifle as a whole. And so it's kind of a, even at home defense, right? 9.9 out of 10 wouldn't use the rifle for home defense. I'm reaching for my water. As you guys know, I got plenty of handguns for that purpose, but I really just wanted it. Number one, you know, I like shooting. I like long range shooting. You know, I like the way the bullet and the projectile exits the rifle. I go to my brother's house in Virginia, my brother Titus, and a bunch of his guys, you know, around the neighborhood have rifles, and they have big old country backyards, and we just shoot and shoot and shoot. So it's amazing fun. And I did want a rifle, but I didn't want a super long barrel, and this was kind of the first compromise. Now the next compromise, I'm looking for the Sig Sauer Rattler, which has a 4.5-inch barrel. Probably looking at the 300 Blackout as a round, or continue with what goes into the Hellion that I just finished holding, which is 2 different cartridges, actually, a 5.56 cartridge and a 2.23. And you can shoot both of them. You can put one 5.56, one 2.23, one 5.56, one 2.23. You can stagnate the rounds, I guess is what I'm saying, or you can put all of one or all of the other there. I guess if I'm gonna grab the water on camera, I might as well drink it, so give me a sec. Much needed. So shooting it at the range was real fun. Letting other people around me shoot it, they definitely enjoyed it. A couple of people said they even wanted to get one. But it is something that I would probably never use for home defense unless, it's an army breaking in, and, that probably wouldn't happen. So, nevertheless, for all you blind guys out there, for everybody else out there that is interested in rifles, look out for more on my rifle adventures coming up. But that is the Springfield Armory Hellion. Hey, man, you guys know what it is, man. Look first, if you can see. No, I'm just playing. I was going to say look first, then shoot. Shoot first, look first, one of those. But anyway, whatever you do, you guys know what it is, man. Be your best at it. Let's change the world, and let's change the world together.
Light flares moving over a black backdrop. The word empowerment in orange all uppercase appears behind the flares. Underneath the word empowerment, in white lettering also behind the flares, is a mechanism by which individuals, groups, and communities gain mastery over their affairs. Light flares fade. A transparent mirror image of the words are also underneath.